the equation of a line, so this is the last competency given the x and the y-intercept. Pag sinabi natin anak x-intercept, okay, ito po yun, a, 0. Meaning, sa x-intercept, yung y po natin ay 0. And then, yung number na given, magsaserve as the value of a. When we say y-intercept naman po, ano naman po yung 0? Si x naman po. Di ba vice versa yan? Pag kinukuha sa x-intercept, y yung 0. Meaning, ito po yun. Then, yung given number, yun po yung value ng a. Pag kinukuha naman po anak yung y-intercept, si x naman po yung magiging 0. Then, yung magiging value ay si letter B naman. Okay, example number 1 tayo. So, given the x-intercept, which is a is equal to 6, and the y-intercept, which is b is equal to negative 3, okay, we're going to find the equation of a line. So, since ang given natin ay intercept, so meaning, ang form na gagamitin natin ay intercept form. And this is the pattern to find the equation of a line given the intercept. So, we have x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Same procedure. Okay, to find the equation of a line, just substitute the value of a, which is, ano yung value ng a na binigay, anak? 6. And the value of b is negative 3. Palitan lang natin ito, anak. Si a gagawin natin 6, si b magiging negative 3. So, meaning si x, si y, at si 1, copy lang po. This will become x over 6, ito po yun, plus y over negative 3 is equal to 1. Now, based on the given, meron tayong dalawang fraction. And then sa addition of dissimilar fraction, kasi magkaiba ng denominator, papasok po dyan, anak, yung LCD o yung tinatawag natin na LCM. What is the meaning of LCD? Okay, this is the least common denominator or what we call the least common multiples. Meaning, kukunin natin, anak, yung mga multiples ng 6 at ng 3. Ano po yun? Ito po yun. Plus 6 ng plus 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. Iyan po yung multiples. Ano naman po yung multiples ng 3? 15, 18, and so on. So after writing all the multiples of 6 and 3, identify the least common. Pinakamababang parehas. Okay, very good. 6. Therefore, the LCD is 6. Or just simply, anak, check lang natin. I-check mo yung pinakamababang number, which is 3. Pwede ba natin i-divide sa 6? Yes. Kapag yes, yung pinakamalaking number, yung LCD. Hindi na natin i-list pa. Naintindihan? Okay, now, after getting the LCD or what we call the LCM, multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD to find the equation of a line. Now, 6 times x divided by 6. Or just simply, x. 6 times y divided by negative 3. Negative 2y. Next, 1 times 6. Okay, so therefore, this is the equation of a line in standard form. Ito na po yung sagot natin. Pero naka-standard form. Now, paano pag pinakuha? What is the equation of a line in slope-intercept? Very good. Si x naman po, anak, ang ililipay. Kasi po, di ba, sa slope-intercept, ito yung pattern niya. Y is equal to mx plus b, which is, ang matitira lang dapat sa left ay yung y. Eh dito, asan si x? Nasa left. Kaya ililipat natin papunta sa right. At ano magiging sign ni x? Magiging negative. So this will become negative 2y is equal to negative x, ano si b? Plus 6. Okay, tama po ba na negative 2 yung numerical coefficient ni y? No. So, what we're going to do? We need to divide both sides of the equation by negative 2. Cancel na po yan. Then, y is equal to negative divided by negative? Positive na po. Then, what is the numerical coefficient here? Negative 1. Negative divided by negative. Okay, meaning magiging positive 1 half x na po siya. Okay, and then positive divided by negative? Negative. 6 divided by 2? 3. Therefore, this is the slope-intercept form.